Hi, my name is Lindsay Hester. I am the Project Lead the Way teacher at Rankin Elementary, and I am half of the brain of the Mobile STEAM Museum grant that we brought to Rankin and all 3-5 schools, full steam ahead. The mobile ed team came down from Michigan and has set up at Rankin Elementary today to kick off National STEM Week. And we have 12 interactive hands-on stations for all of the students to participate in. They come in, they get a little bit of instruction, but then they're free to go and discover these real-world applications with all of the different stations. We have 3D printing and robotics and VR and magnetism and all kinds of things that the kids are just really excited to see. And I've never seen anything like this in our area. So I'm very thankful to be able to bring it here to Tupelo for all of our students.